This is the T-Skin, a device unlike any other that allows you to use your gestures and movements to control technology in a revolutionary new way. In under 3 minutes, I can program, connect, and control this robot. I forgot the lime. With Arduino programming, the possibilities are limitless with the T-Skin. Let's say you have a big presentation and you really want to captivate your audience. With a flick, you can advance to the next slide, pull, zoom in, click, rotate. You can highlight anything you want on the screen. Built with a 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis magnometer, temperature and pressure sensor, the T-Skin provides greater movement accuracy than any other gesture controller. And with the 155 milliamp rechargeable battery, you have 8 hours of continuous use. Think of it as a controller for everything in your life. It's great for work and for play. By going to the Sketch Arena, you can download tons of pre-coded Arduino tasks and incorporate the T-Skin into all your favorite games. Woo! Take that, Vin Diesel! That's so exciting. Then when I'm ready for a game break, I can check on my 3D printer. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Good. Okay. Great. With T-Skin, your reach is about to become larger than life. It'll give you more time to do things like this.